So, morning. Today is November 10th. It's a beautiful fall morning, and today's the day that I'm taking the truck in to get the Calmini 6-inch suspension lift installed. So I got all the components loaded in to the back of the truck, lots of boxes there, and along with some new axles, front and rear shocks, subframes, stabilizers, you name it, it's in there. And that'll be today and tomorrow's project. So next time I post will be of partial install, and then possibly the completed project. So keep you posted, let you know how it goes.